Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I was traveling for over 2 weeks, or to be precise, 10 days, and I wanted to share all the makeup products that I carried. So, I've got this tiny little bag right here. I've actually done the skincare version also, which I'm just going to pop it right here for you. You can go and have a look at that. But this one right here is all the makeup that I carry. Now I traveled to Chennai, which was kind of dicey for me because I was traveling in June. So I thought it is going to rain, but I was also mentally prepared that what if it is super sunny, because you know that when you apply makeup, it is just going to melt down and nothing is going to be on the face. So I really did not wanted to do anything heavy. So I carried extremely basic and something that would work for me, and I'm very excited because this is really going to help you all when you're traveling to a place which is going to be super sunny. This is very very basic, and this is something that I absolutely love. My skin felt super natural. It was like I've applied makeup, but it did not feel like that I've applied makeup. It just felt so damn good. So let's quickly start. I am going to try and show you according to how I was wearing the makeup. Now the first thing that I have is by Verified. Now this is their Step Zero Anti Pollution Blurring and Hydrating Primer with SPF 50 with a PA plus base, which means it is going to blur your pores, it is going to moisturize, it is going to prime, and it is also going to protect. Make sure that you're wearing a sunscreen under, because SPF 25 PA plus plus se kuch nahi hota hai, to be very honest, especially when you are in a city like Chennai. So I think, you know, this is something that I was wearing when I felt like my skin needed a little bit of makeup. This is extremely lightweight. I can't even tell you. It's like over. I've been using this for over a year now, but this like done. I have to get a bottle. So that is something that I absolutely love. As soon as I applied that, there were days where I felt that my skin is extremely oily. So I applied a primer so that it doesn't come out. So I was using this, and now this is their Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I honestly love using this product. I did not use it like every single day, but I did use it when I felt that my skin is super oily. There were days like that because I'm a combination skin type, and when you tend to go to a humid place, it actually makes your skin more oilier. So eventually, I was an oily skin girly when I was there. So I used this to make sure that my pores doesn't show up a lot, and it feels good because it's not sticky. It just keeps everything at bay. So I used this, okay, and post that what I did was I used a water tint. Okay, so I had actually carried two blushes. Let me just figure it out. Yeah, so I was using either this or this, but mostly I was using this when I was in Chennai. So this is like a lip and cheek tint, which they say that it's actually a dupe for the Benefit. So I really like how it stays actually stays on your skin. It doesn't feel heavier on the skin, extremely lightweight. It will just it's so damn pigmented that it will just stay on your skin. So I use this or either this, but this was like very rare that I use. I honestly love this one because this has like creamy texture and all of those. This is by K Beauty, and I think this is in the shade Sweetheart. But honestly, I enjoyed wearing this blush. So I used the Verified one, then the primer, and then the blush. And to put everything together, I was using the Verified Compact Powder. Now, this is the Airbrush Look Compact Powder. This is transparent, that is white in color. And this helped with the oil that was there on the face. It helped with the pores that were there on the face. It just made my skin look so damn better. I mean, I loved this product throughout my stay in the south. It was like a blessing. So this is actually my third compact from Verified. Verified have not sent this to me. I purchased this from my own money. I so love this product. It's like worth every penny, worth every penny. So yeah, I love this. It just puts everything together. And post that, I used a mascara. Now this is by Maybelline, and this is their waterproof, the very black variant. So I use this because in case it rains or even if it is humid, I don't want my mascara to just go away and then all my eyes look black and shady. So I picked this one. Absolutely stunning. I did not want to do too much with my eyes. I was like, you know what, I'll just lift my lashes because my lashes are generally a little longer and thicker. So that way I'm kind of blessed. So I love that. I did carry a kajal, but I never applied it. It was just in case of emergency. This is by Plum. I love this, by the way, but I did not use it. And then I carry a lot of lip liners and lipsticks. In you don't know what color would go. Can you see the amount of lip liners and lipsticks I used? So got bunch of this. And now I'm just going to tell you the one that I was using. I did not use everything, so I know exactly what I was using. So I'm just going to share that. So I was using, got a little confused now. I was using these two. Now I really like the combination where my liner is a little deeper than my lipstick. So I was using this one from Mars, and this is in the shade Wine Night 05. So I really love this one. This is extremely like pigmented, if you can see. Yeah, it's really lovely color. So I used this on the outer layer, and then inside I used this like a nude color. Again, such a beautiful color. And you see that? I honestly loved pairing this, and I was just wearing this throughout. I did carry red and pink, but I don't know, somehow I just stuck to the nudes. So that is something that I absolutely loved, and I just want to get rid of this right now. I don't know why, but yeah, I think I carried all of these, and of course, I carried like my comb because when you wash your hair, I really don't want my hair to fall. I love using these kind of combs which had like you know the it's wider kind of thing. So I love these. And apart from that, I think I'm good. I think I'm done. Yeah. So all of these things was everything that I carried in my makeup bag. If you see, I've not used any tint. I've not used any foundation. Still, I managed to look the way I am because of the skincare. So even when you're traveling and you're applying a makeup, make sure that your skincare is apt. And like I said, I've already made like a video of what I was carrying for skincare. I'm gonna pop it somewhere here for y'all to just go and have a look, because I think from more than makeup, you guys love my skincare content. So I thought, just make one and share it with you all. So yeah, make sure that you see which country or which city you're going to, the temperature, the environment, I mean, how humid it is or how dry it is or how moisture it is. All of these guys have to be considered when you're traveling. You cannot be carrying a heavy moisturizer or heavy foundation when you're going to a humid place, because it is just going to sweat it out. It's just going to come out and you're going to look nuisance. I mean, going to look nasty, to be very, very honest. It is just going to melt, right? So just make sure that you do your little research before you go. And yeah, that was about it. I really love to make content where I try and help you and educate you, whether it's skincare or makeup. But I'm not very good at makeup, but whatever I know a little bit, I try and help. I'm kind of a person who likes makeup, but not very heavy, like a natural kind of makeup. So, in case you like that kind of a content, you can let me know in the comment section below. But skincare, man, I love my skincare products, and I am on my way to get a lot more skincare products. So if you're someone who've tried skincare products and it has worked for you, especially in terms of removing your tan or for glowness and stuff or any anti-aging stuff, just put that in the comment section. I would love to give it a read the ingredients and get myself those products and just review it for y'all. So yeah, with that said, I think I said a lot. Let's end today's video, and you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe if you love my content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.